Somebody has sell them car. Is it because an electric car to take over? Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, I wonder if that thing in the trunk of all the spare tire pull out and a shape in the car trunk, you know, because that don't make nice cars. We just carry the car to the shop a while ago on the bridge and I check the car and can't find nothing wrong with the car. You see me? And cause the car firm, bro. You see me? But the thing is, you know, brother, you have to remember, say, once the car are used, anything we are used liable for break at any given time. You see me? So it wasn't nothing shocking to say, boy, something wear and tear or, you know, you just do it time, brother, and you have to change it. That's never a shocking thing to me, cause I say, see, but for car, I did mechanic and the man can't find nothing wrong with the car. If you wonder, what, man, you get there a while ago again, every little rut I go and make you hear that shit, bro. Bro, make me know the same can't find it. The man I check out, use all the steel bar price for the thing of bracing. You see if any friction there, nothing there. Why, a person say no and the kids and the mother take up an animal instead, boy, that rough cause having a dog ain't no different than having a youth. That's like you have to take care of him, walk him, see him, you like you walk him across school, feed him every day. Yeah, I'm a doctor every damn thing, like, so I might as well. You have a family, man. But everybody have them one choice. Life and people do the hell them want. Different something. Really take out that. thing is, right? Could it be my tire sound, so? That's something I want to know, bro. If a tire one weird something, you know, they make some weird sound. Bro, wonder if my tire sound, so, cause sometimes you tell yourself your car have good tire and the tire fucked up, you know. Wonder if one of my tire sound like that, cause if it any blood clot thing, me just change that shit, cause I don't know, bro. I don't fucking know, bro. Why that shit? It's fucking weird. You see me, you go over, alright, for instance, you go over like a road, anything up, you drive your car in a pothole, you don't hear nothing. But if you go over any little small line, brother, you hear click. What the fuck? Like something just did if you annoy the fuck out of me, bro. Got auto zone still on. And get the headlight. Well, we see it cause man them pull me over Virgin and show me say yeah, you me charge it. I have 24 hours to fix it and it's a phone settings, you see it. So fix it, yeah. Something simple like this, you see me? Yeah, make something so simple turn in a big problem, brother. Get it? I tell the Virgin say I have to drive a fucking car for show me a talk about cause he might put the car up on the lift and him can't find shit cause you're not driving the fucking car for you when you're a bum buck that. You ever see something like this? A man I tell you say I'm a driver and I experience something and you just put the car up on the lift and expect so you'll get the same vibration. Judgment, blood, class.